Hi children, this is your A&R sir. Today we learn how to construct a quadrilateral. Today we learn how to construct a quadrilateral. This is for class 8 students. This is for class 8 students. So now let us read the question. Construct a quadrilateral whose dimensions are AB is equal to 11 centimeters, CD is equal to 8 centimeters, BC is equal to 7 centimeters, AD is equal to 10 centimeters, and angle A is equal to 45 degrees. What are the dimensions given? AB given 11 centimeters, CD given 8 centimeters, BC given 7 centimeters, AD given 10 centimeters, and angle A given 45 degrees. First of all, we should make a rough diagram. So here I take base AB. What is the reason? The reason is angle A is given 45 degrees. So here at A I make 45 degrees. How I make? When we actually draw this diagram, at that time we learn. This is 45 degrees. And next, what is given? AD given 10 centimeters. AB given 11 centimeters. And next, this is BC given 7 centimeters. CD given 8 centimeters. Clear? So the diagram will be like this. So now let us draw the actual diagram. So I take a scale, and with the help of a scale I make AB 11 centimeters. With the help of the scale I make 11 centimeters AB. So as far as possible, we should see the diagram should be in the middle of the page. As far as possible, the diagram should be in the middle of the page. So like this, I make a point, and here 11 I made a point, and next I joined those 2 points. You see, in order to allow you to see clearly, I am doing with a pen. Whereas in your examination you should do with the help of a pencil, not a pen. Clear? And now I name this line. What is this line? A, B. So what do I do now? At the point A, I make 45 degrees. How to make 45 degrees? First I make 90 degrees, and then I bisect 90 degrees. Just you check how I make 90 degrees. With your compass, I take some radius and mark an arc like this. Clear? So where this arc touched this AB, from that point I take one arc on this arc. If I join these two, we get 60 degrees. And if we take one more arc, this will be 180 degrees. This is how much? 180 degrees. So when we bisect these two arcs, we get 90 degrees. To bisect what I do, from here I take one arc. To bisect, from here I take one arc. And from 120 degrees I take another arc. Clear? So these two arcs met at one point. And I join this point. I join with the help of a scale. I join that point. This is your 90 degrees. Actually, in order to draw 45 degrees, first we should make what? 90 degrees. So now if we bisect this 90 degrees, we get 45 degrees. Because 45 into 2 is equal to 90. Bisecting means what? From here I take one arc with some radius. And from here, you should not get confused, not from here. From here I take another arc. These two arcs met at this point. Clear? So, if I join that point with A, what do I get? I get 45 degrees. Clear? Now I got 45 degrees. What is the measurement of AD? AD is 10 centimeters. What is the measurement of AD? AD is 10 centimeters. So from here I take 10 centimeters. From here I take 10 centimeters. Clear? From here I take how? I have taken one scale and like this I measured 10. Can you see this? And from here I cut like this. So now I have to extend this line. Now I have to extend this line because it is not touched. I have to extend this. So this point will be your D. That point will be your D. Now your CD is given 8 centimeters. CD is given 8 centimeters. So again I measure 8 centimeters. Again I measure 8 centimeters. See, again I measure 8 centimeters. Clear? So from D, I have to take one arc of 8 centimeters. Clear? Clear? Now, BC is given 7 centimeters. Now again I measure 7 centimeters. Clear? And from B I take another arc and I check where these two arcs meet. And this meeting point will be your what? C. This meeting point will be your C. Now what do? I join BC and this is the meeting point. I join BC and CD. I join BC and your clear? So this is your required what? quadrilateral. This is your required quadrilateral. So now your question is not completed. Your question is not completed. After constructing this, you need to write the steps. How you constructed this? Step 1. First, what did you do? Draw a line. How much? AB 11 centimeters, BC 7 centimeters, CD 8 centimeters, and next AD 10 centimeters, and this angle 45 degrees. So draw a line. AB is equal to 11 centimeters. Now step 2. Step 2. At point A, draw angle BAD 45 degrees. 45 degrees. Clear? How did you make this 45 degrees? First you constructed 90 degrees. First you constructed 90 degrees by bisecting 60 degrees and 120 degrees. After that you bisected this 90 degrees and you got 45 degrees. Now next step 3. Take ten centimeters measure and take an arc. Take an arc at point B on what? BAD line, on 45 degrees line. Clear? The point where it touches is D. Clear? Next, step 4. Now, step 4. From B, take an arc measuring how much? 7 centimeters. Clear? Step 5. From D, take an arc measuring how much? 8 centimeters. Measuring 8 centimeters. Where these two arcs meet, that would be your point C. The point where these arcs meet we'll meet is C. Step 6. Join BC and CD. Now we got required quadrilateral QUAD. We write quadrilateral. What is the name? A, B, C, D. I think you understood how to construct a quadrilateral when five measurements are given. 5, all 4 sides and 1 base angle is given. Understood? So again, tomorrow I come up with some new lesson. Till then, bye bye and have a nice time, and thank you for watching my video.